Let's get to the final trade of the day now. Here's a pro trader to tell us what's happening with his latest trade.
This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy. And last week, we had just a massive amount of economic reports that the market had to digest, ending up with the November jobs report on Friday, which came in a little bit hotter than what was expected. And we saw the market, kind of give back some of those big earlier gains from the middle of last week. But to me, now that that news is behind us, we're going to have the next week and a half or so for, what I think of really just a lot of chop, because the next big report that we're going to be looking at is CPI, which is on the 13th, and then we get the Fed decision. So I think between now and then, like I said, we get a lot of chop back and forth, but maybe leaning actually towards the bullish side. So when I look at the S&Ps and that 200-day moving average and the SPY, right around 403, 404, I think now is actually a good time, even with volatility a little bit lower than what we have seen, to actually sell some premium, but with a bullish bias. So whether that means selling some put spreads, possibly selling some iron condors that have a bullish bias. You could buy some call spreads also to the upside, but I really think that we're going to be somewhat range bound leading up to CPI. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm focusing on. This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.